Hey guys, Dan at Range of Motion. You don't have to exercise to get fit. You don't have to go to a gym to get fit. Now, you can see from what's behind me that I would have a vested interest in telling people that they need to do some sort of organised physical activity. They need to go somewhere where they can train and work out to improve their fitness. But my job isn't to get people going to a gym. My job is to get people healthier and fitter. So here's something that you may not know. They took two groups of people, and the first group of people were exercising, they were going to a gym. The second group of people, they were just making active choices. They were just making healthy choices in their everyday behaviours. And what they found is they looked at the activity levels in these two groups, and they looked at the amount of energy that they burnt during the day, and they found that there was really no difference. That the people who were making these active choices in their life were actually getting as much benefit as the people who were going to a gym. In fact, the data showed that the people who were just making active choices, active physical choices as part of their lifestyle, they were burning the equivalent energy every year that you would get from 14 grams of fat. So these people don't have a gym membership, they don't own a treadmill, they don't make an active effort to go and do exercise. They just make some healthy choices in their life, and they burn the equivalent of 14 kilos of fat every year. The way they did this research, this study, is they had the participants wearing what they call fidget pants. These are basically pants that test and detect how much energy you're burning based on how much you're moving. So guys, have a think about making some healthier choices. These are long-term habits that you can pick up. If you don't have time to exercise, that's fine. Obviously, organised physical activity, organised exercise would be the aim. But if you can't do that, then that's okay. You can still get a lot of benefit just by moving a little bit more. So, some ideas for you. Maybe you can get a stand-up desk at work. Maybe you can set up your office so you have to walk to the photocopier, or you have to walk to get a coffee. So you're hiding these little bits of exercise, these forms of incidental physical activity in your daily life. Maybe when you park the car, you don't park as close as you can to the shops. Maybe you could cycle to work. Maybe you can take the stairs instead of taking the elevator. Now, on their own, these tiny little 1%ers don't really do much, but they add up to a lot. And if you make these choices consistently over the days, the weeks, the months, and the years, in the long run, you'll get a huge amount of benefit. So guys, don't be intimidated by trying to get healthy and fit by having to go to a gym. For some people, it's just not their scene, and that's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with you. Some people just don't like that sort of environment. But make sure you're doing something. If you can hide the exercise incidentally in your daily life, then you don't have to go to a gym anyway. All right, guys, I hope this has helped someone. If you have any questions, please post below, or you can contact me. My email is dan@rangeofmotion.net.au. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.